on today, YouTube? Back with another one. BWI2ATXF, the channel. And I got a windshield chip. So 295, a pebble or a rock. If anybody ever had their windshield hit, you see it's kind of like in slow motion. It's coming right for me, and it went to my glass. So I'm not sure if it would have been better to hit the paint or the glass, because you think I need to get a repair or whatever. But luckily, my insurance information for the car warranty insurance, not warranty insurance, the car warranty that, if you've been following the channel, got my upstream sensors replaced, has a complimentary windshield repair benefit, and that's free. So we're gonna stop by Safelite. We're close to where I grew up, so get it done today. But first, we're gonna pick up the doggo. Just got a fresh cut for Christmas, and after that, we'll be at Safelite. These back roads are literally perfect to do the speed limit on. Wink, wink. But if people are in front of me, it's not really doing me any favors. So we'll get some POV content back here eventually. There's some nice roads back here. More left lane camping. If you just seen the dash cam footage, just non-driving ass motherfuckers, I swear. Stay the fuck from around me. Anyway, Maryland does not enforce left lane camping for passing lane. It's terrible, so I'll cut you off every chance I get. Far-Way Park, the norm. Try to stay in shape.
It's just, she was really good.
Hey girl, good to hear. What's up, girl? Don't get ran over. Come on. Just realized we matching 2 damn watermelons today. This is not planned. Just kind of happened that way. It's the wrong white car, girl. You know where I'm at. Come on. Picked up my midday coffee, and we are here for them to do the work. The work that they do. So we just got it all done. It took them maybe 10 minutes, really. Kind of see it. They did disclaim that it will not be invisible. It's to help reduce it spreading, and that's really all I want. This little part is not enough to warrant a windshield replacement. And the thing about it, it's not really in my line of sight. Gotta look for it. So I'll take that all day. Appreciate y'all Safelite. I appreciate y'all's subscribers. It's been another episode of BWI2ATXF, the channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch y'all next time. Happy holidays.